whether screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So will you read? Somebody can somebody read the problem? Rule number 1. Will you read?
Yes, sir.
Cylinder.
Cylinder 1 of diameter 200 mm and cylinder 2 of diameter 300 mm are placed in a trough as shown in following figure. If cylinder 1 weight 800 Newton and cylinder B weight 1200 Newton, determine the reactions developed at contact surface A, B, C and D. Assume all surface smooth.
Thank you. Assume all surfaces are smooth. It means we are neglecting friction. So friction, you might be knowing friction. So what is the meaning of smooth surfaces? We should neglect the friction. We are going to see what is friction. So in this case, intentionally it is mentioned that surfaces are smooth. Means we are supposed to neglect surfaces. And in this problem again little challenging problem. You have to give utmost attention. A little challenging problem to different cylinders, different diameters. And at specific point only reactions are asked. Point A, point B, contact surface point B, A, C and D. At specific points only reactions are asked. That also we have to remember here. So if I will start, so again it is lengthy problem. If I will start a BD of which cylinder is called as cylinder 1? Upper side having 200 mm diameter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and its radius is given as diameter is given 200 mm, no? And what is for other? It is given 300. Yes, 300.
Yes.
200 and 300 means radius will be 100 and 150. It is shown here. Radius, both the radiuses are shown here and here. So that is the things. If I will draw a BD free body diagram for cylinder 1. If I will draw here a BD of a cylinder 1, so it will be something like this. Something like this. Okay. What will be the reactions? Reaction A. So here it is A, RA, which will be horizontal. Then what is its weight? So it will go something like this. What is its weight? Weight?
A left side, left.
No. Reaction, that arrow is there for the distance 100.
Okay, sir.
That is for distance. It is not RA. Always we have to action and reaction. Always we have to keep in mind action and reaction always equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. That direction will be like this. That arrow is for distance, not for that reaction. Vertical. What is weight is given for cylinder 1?
800 Newton.
800 Newton. Then from point B also there will be one reaction like this. Okay, and that reaction will be again towards the point. What is that? RB. I will say right now RB. Like this. That reactions will be like this. RB. It is for cylinder 1. Now, though the cylinders are touching to each other, so for my convenience, I will draw something like this without touching also, no problem, because it is free body diagram in which we are showing only body and the active and reactive forces. That's all. We are not considering any supports. Without support, I will say. So if I will draw here something body like this, suppose maybe something like this, a body. Okay. So here there is a one center again. So what will be that weight which is acting? What is the weight is given? 1200. Then in this way there will be which reaction at this point? RC. Again from this reaction. Okay. So arrow will be downward or upward for B point at point B?
Downwards.
Downward. It will be downward in this way. RB. Anything is remained for cylinder number 2? Anything is remained for cylinder D? Reaction D is remained. Reaction D is remained. So it will be something like this. RD. RD. It will be RD. Now finding out the angles. We should find the angles. Now, if you see the reactions of how many forces are acting or how many reactions and forces are there in cylinder 1?
3.
3.
3. And in case of cylinder 2?
4.
4.
4 forces are there. Now, if you consider cylinder number 1, so whether we are knowing all the included angles, angle between, if I will ask, what is the angle between 800 Newton force, that is weight, and RB reaction? Is it possible? Is it given or is it possible to calculate?
We have to calculate, sir.
We have to calculate. So in figure also, it is already the dotted line is shown. And how we can find that? See, which triangle we have to consider to find the angle between reaction RB and 800 Newton. So which triangle we have to consider? If we will draw a line from center O1 vertical line and from O2 horizontal line, which triangle it is forming?
Right
Can-
angle triangle.
Right angle.
Right angle triangle.
O1P.
O1P O2 or O1 O2P, like this angle it will form. O1 O2P, like this, that angle it will form. Okay, so from this angle, not angle, triangle, in triangle O1 O2P, how many distances are known to us? 38. O1 O2P, which distances we are knowing? Whether we are knowing O1 and O2?
O2P and O1O2.
O1P is known.
Okay, first I will write O1 O2. What will be this distance? O1 O2.
250.
250.
So 100 plus
150.
150.
100 plus 150, both radius of both. So it will be 250 mm, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then which distance we can know again? O2P.
O2P. Yes, sir.
O2P. So if I will write O2P, so how I can give this O2P?
450 minus 250.
450 minus radius of first cylinder
250.
100 minus radius of second cylinder 150. So what is this?
200.
Sorry,
Sir, 1500.
sorry. How much it is?
200. 200. 200, sir.
200. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
200.
200. Okay. Now is it possible to calculate this theta at O2 point? So either at point O2 or either this, any angle you can find. Where it is possible to find at angle at O1. So if you will apply sine at O1 angle, so what will, whether is it possible to find O1 or O2 with this?
Yes, sir.
O1 at point O1 means angle between this 800 Newton and RB, which what we have to apply, sine or cos?
Sine.
Sine. So here I will write now sine of O1. I will write sine of O1 is equal to what will be that? O2P
Upon O1, O2.
upon O1 O2, which implies now directly I will write which implies angle O1 is equal to, directly you tell me what is the angle.
53.13. 53.13.
50
3.13.
53.13. Any other answer or same? O2P is 200 200 divided by 250.
Correct, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Sine inverse of this. Yes, 53.13 is the correct answer. What will be the angle at this point O2? 90 minus whatever that. So at this stage, shall I write this angle as, what is this angle? 53 point
13.
13. 53.13 is the angle. Now all the angles are known in case of cylinder 1. All the angles included angles are known, but neither we are knowing RA, neither we are knowing RB at this stage. आपल्याला RA पण माहित नाही, RB पण माहित नाही. So is it possible to apply Lami's theorem, or shall we go for summation effects or F1?
Summation effect.
Is it what shall we do here? Shall we apply Lami's theorem here, RA and RB, to find RA and RB?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We can, no? Yes, we can apply. So tell me now, Lami's theorem for which cylinder? Which cylinder? 1 or 2?
1.
1. So tell me RA divided by, tell me carefully, angle.
Sine 53.13.
Sine
53.13.
Sine 53.13 equal to, what will be next? RB divided by, tell me angle.
Sine
90. Sine 90.
Sine 90, angle between remaining two, sine 90 equal to this 800 divided by
Sine 143.13.
sine
143.13.
143.13.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from this, is it possible to calculate RA and RB?
Yes.
Calculate very carefully RA and RB. Calculate RA and RB.
Yes, sir.
Sir, RA
1066.
1066.66.
Very good, correct.
66.
66.66.
166.
Yes.
Correct. Exactly. RB.
133.33.
1333.3.
Correct. 1333, no?
333.
Yes.
Yes.
0.33.
0.33, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. This is also correct. RA and RB we found out. RA and RB. Next now. So angle made by RB reaction. Now coming back, RA we calculated, RB we have calculated. Now if you will go to now which cylinder? Cylinder number 2. How many forces are acting in cylinder number 2?
4 force.
4 forces. So now here what we can tell directly? Lami's theorem we are unable to apply, or there is a limitation because there are how many forces? 4 forces. 4 forces are there. We can't now apply now. Now 1200 Newton is directly vertical force. RC is horizontal. There is no question of, while applying summation effects and Fy, we want, while applying summation effects and Fy, we want angle made by these reactions with either with horizontal or vertical. Okay. So RC is directly horizontal, no question. 1200 Newton directly vertical, no question. What will be the angle made by RD reaction either with horizontal or vertical?
horizontal, sir.
No, you can tell angle either with horizontal or vertical. What will be the angle made by RD reaction either with horizontal or vertical? Is it possible to calculate? See carefully now this figure. Only 2 angles we want to find, then our problem is almost over. So see the question figure and tell me if now see here carefully, if I will show this diagram like this, RD like this, here there is a RD. So what will be the angle made by this reaction, either with horizontal or vertical?
90 minus theta correct.
What will be that angle? If not, I will give one clue here. Whatever I have drawn here, RD reaction, directly it extend up to this vertical plane, vertical line. Then you can find that angle. इकडे बघा मी काय करतोय, लक्ष द्या. RD reaction, what I will do, I will directly from point O it will go, from point O to O2. अशी मी डायरेक्टली पुढे वाढवली व्हर्टिकल प्लेन पर्यंत. आणि मी आता अँगल एक कन्सिडर करतो. सपोज हियर आय विल राईट E, हा पॉइंट झाला माझा F, आणि इथला पॉइंट मी याला G नाव किंवा D आहे, ऑलरेडी D इज देअर. EFD, इज इट राईट अँगल ट्रायंगल EFD?
Yes, sir.
And what will be the angle at this point? 90? 90.
90.
So what will be this angle?
45.
45 sir.
45. Now my one more question in this. Whether this 45 angle is made with vertical or horizontal?
Vertical sir.
Vertical.
Vertical. Now coming back to our FBD diagram, free body diagram. This 1200 Newton force is vertical. So what
Yes,
will be
sir.
the angle made by this RD reaction with this vertical 1200 Newton force?
45.
45.
Obviously it will be 45.
45, sir.
हा 45 चा असणार angle हा. This angle will be 45. This will be again
Yes, sir.
45. येते का लक्षात?
Yes, opposite angle.
Whatever your logic, whatever. So what I have completed this triangle EFD, and I got one here, there is 190 degree and here 45. So automatically this angle will become remaining angle 45. That 45 angle is made with vertical line. That angle is made with vertical line. So obviously our force, this 1200 Newton force is vertical. So angle between 1200 Newton force and RD is also 45 degree. Now one angle is remained only, RB. That angle is remained now. So already we have calculated angle made by RB reaction with vertical 53.13. Directly you can take that, or you can find angle made with horizontal. What angle we will take now? RB चा angle आपण काढलेला आहे vertical बरोबर. Already we have calculated angle with vertical. Directly you can calculate with horizontal, or we can take as it is 53.13 with vertical. Which method we will take? RB. काय घेऊया आता? Shall I take directly vertical angle? Horizontal calculate करायचं असेल तर काय होईल? RB ने horizontal angle किती केला असेल? इथं आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केलाय बघा 53.13 विथ वर्टिकल. हॉरिझॉन्टल से किती केला असेल?
36.87.
36.87 विथ हॉरिझॉन्टल और वर्टिकल शीच कॅल्क्युलेट केलाय बघा आपण इथं. लक्षात येते का नाही? लक्ष आहे का नाही? 14 रोल नंबर. RB ने vertical से reaction angle किती केलाय? RB, what angle made by RB reaction with vertical?
53.13.
53.13. Shall we take as it is, or shall we calculate with horizontal? 90 minus that angle. With, if you want with horizontal, so directly, the space is not with me. So this angle will be, I will write. What you have calculated this angle with horizontal? 36 point somebody.
36.87.
36.87. This angle will be 36.87. So whether all the angles are known in case of which this second free body diagram?
Yes.
Okay. So what we have to apply now? Summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy, or Lami's theorem. What we have to apply to find
Summation Fy is equal to 0.
summation Fy? If you will apply summation Fy, which thing you will get? Summation Fy apply केलं तर काय मिळेल आपल्याला आता?
RD.
RD. We will get RD because RC will not come. Why it will not come in summation Fy?
Horizontal.
Because it is horizontal. Apply some. कोण आहे? मला कोंबड्यांचा आवाज येतोय. कोण आहे? अस्मिता, are you there or who is there? Aishwarya.
No, sir. No, sir.
Aishwarya,
No, sir.
you are also no. कोण आहे? सोहेल?
No, sir.
जरा बघता का कोण आहे? Try to sit in isolation, no, little isolation. You are. I don't know. I want to check. Rushikesh,
No, sir.
you are also not.
No.
Some hens are attending our lecture. I don't know. Apply summation Fy is equal to 0. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Tell me now. There is no question of RC now. 4 forces are there: RC, RB, RD, and 1, 2, 0. Out of that, RC will not come. So RB, while applying RB, is it going towards positive x-axis, positive y-axis or negative y-axis? RB force.
Negative.
Minus. How much we have calculated its value?
RB cos 45.
Cos
No, value. What is RB? Value of RB?
333.30.
1333.33. Whether we have to take sine of 36 angle or cos of 36 angle?
Cos.
Cos of 36. Sir.
Cos of 36 we are taking summation Fy, and that angle is made with horizontal. What we have to take? Sine or cos? Sine or
Sine.
sine we have to take sine because it is made with horizontal. Sine 36.87. Sine 36.87. Okay. RB is over. RC will not come. What about RD? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus RD. Plus RD. Angle made cos 45 because angle is made with vertical. So cos 45. ज्याच्याशी अँगल केलेला आहे त्याचा कॉस आपण पहिल्या चॅप्टर मध्ये पाहिलंय. सो अँगल मेड विथ व्हर्टिकल, सो इट विल कम कॉस. व्हॉट अबाउट 1, 2, 0? Plus minus?
Minus.
It will be minus because it is going towards negative
Negative y.
negative y-axis. From this equation, is it possible to calculate RD? Is it possible to calculate RD from this reaction at D? Only RD is unknown. All other terms are known. Calculate RD. Calculate first RD. Huh?
28.42.
28.42.
42.
28.42. Exactly. Very good.
42.
28.42
42.
Newton is the exactly answer. अजून मला आवाज येतो. शुभम, are you there? कुणाचा आवाज येतोय? शुभम. Try to sit in isolation. Subject like applied mechanics or engineering mechanics. असा जर आपण हवेत बघत असू तर it is very difficult. So I should not threaten, but try to sit in isolation, at least for our subject. Otherwise, you will not get anything. Not for our subject, for all subject. You should not say our subject, other subject. Try to sit in isolation, either on terrace, one separate room, under a tree where nobody should be there. Likewise, RD is equal to 28.42 Newton. Any problem to calculate RD? Next now. So from ABD2, which is unknown now?
RC.
RC. So what we can apply for calculate RC?
Summation
Summation.
Summation fx is equal to
FX
0.
is
Now, so I will write here now summation fx is equal to 0. Can anybody tell me now this equation? Summation fx is equal to 0. Who will help? Now, which force will not come in summation fx now?
1200.
200 Newton.
1200.
1200 Newton will not
1200.
come because it is vertical. Okay. But tell me now, what about RC? First, we will take RC. Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
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 Okay, it will be negative. Oh, because it is going towards left hand side. It will be negative RC. Okay. Then, what about RB? Is it going towards positive x-axis or negative x-axis?
Positive x-axis.
Positive.
It will be positive. What is value of RB?
Positive.
Positive.
RB cos 36.87.
133.83.
133.
Cos. Cos, no, why we are taking cos? Because angle is made with
Horizontal.
X-axis.
or
Horizontal.
horizontal. Horizontal or x-axis. What about RD? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Again positive because it is going towards positive x-axis plus RD. Value of RD we have calculated. What is that?
2828.42.
2828.42.
Point 42. What about angle? Sine or cos?
Sine.
Sine because sine 45 equal to 0. So RC directly you can calculate RC now. RC equation is with you 133.33 cos 36.87 plus 2828.42 sine 45. So only this equation RC will go to on the other side, it will become positive.
Sir, 1 2 666.
60.
1 2
point
666 1 2 666 कोणी सांगितलं 1 2
3066.
3066.65.
3066.
No, sir. Wait.
3066.65.
again different answers are coming. Why? Very simple equation.
3066.65.
3066.65.
65.
30
66.65.
66.65.
65.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
36.
Very good. 3066.65 Newton. This is the correct answer. So such problem is there for more than 10 marks in your university exam. More than 10 marks. So in our subject, such problems are there. Any problem? RA we have calculated, RB calculated, RD and RC. 4 reactions. We are supposed to find reactions developed at contact surfaces A, B, C, D. Abhijit, any problem?
No, sir.
Aishwarya, roll number 3.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Let me check those who are giving responses once again. Rushikesh. Yes. Any problem?
Sir.
15, roll number 15. Yes.
No, sir.
No. Have you noted down? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more. 32. 32 Anmol. Have you noted?
No, sir. No problem.
Okay. 36.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 43.
No problem, sir.
Okay. 56. 56.
No problem, sir.
No problem. Okay. So such problems will be there where lengthy problems are there. 2 cylinders. Whenever there are 2 cylinders, it is a little lengthy problem. Okay. Shall I give one problem similar what we have solved in the morning session? then we will go to next point, because in one lecture hardly one problem is completing. Many more problems are there in assignment you can solve. Like this we have to solve. Okay, 12 mark problems are there. 12, you can imagine, out of 70, 12 marks. Our regular structure of our paper is what? 14 plus what is remaining? 56. So 14 plus 56. Keep 14 marks MCQ, 56 descriptive. In this descriptive again, theory plus problem. Theory plus problem I will write. In that problem, such problems will be there for 12 mark. So you can imagine the weightage of this problem. Means 14 mark MCQ, 56 mark other descriptive I will say. In that descriptive, theory plus problem. Theory for some marks, problems for some remaining marks. Like this. Out of that again, this is 12 mark problem. What the problems we are solving from the morning. Okay. So this is the, so one problem I will give, same problem, what the problem we have solved for in morning session. Same problem, only a little change is there. You can solve that. Shall we go next? I will give one problem, then we will go to next.
Sir, without Lamé theorem आपण RA and RB find out करू शकतो.
Without where? पहिले
Without-
yes yes. For summation apex समजा तुम्ही summation FY calculate केले, FY इथं म्हणताय का?
Yes sir.
For this figure, yes, no, not possible आहे. इथं समजा तुम्ही summation FY ला apply केलं, summation FY is equal to 0. काय होईल? RA येईल का त्याच्यामध्ये, त्या इक्वेशन मध्ये? It will not come RA because it is horizontal. Only RB and this
RB.
800 Newton. आता तुम्हाला apply करायचं असेल तर काही, whether RB will be positive or negative?
Positive sir. Positive.
Positive, sir.
An angle what it will be? RB cos येणार ना, because vertical angle
13.
53.13 आणि हे what about 800 minus or plus?
minus 800.
Minus 800 equal to 0 होईल. आणि या इक्वेशन मधून काढून बघा बरं RB किती येतं. You can calculate RB. So 800 divided by what it will be? Divided by cos
53.30.
133 point same आहे त्याचे.
153.30. So RB will be 133.33. आणि आपला किती आलाय तेवढाच आलाय.
Yes sir.
तेवढाच आलाय sir.
Same you can apply your logic, number of methods. इथं 3 forces होते म्हणून आपण Lamé theorem apply केलं. You can apply here summation FY also. Afterwards you can apply summation FX. You can calculate that also. RA you can calculate. Summation FX FY सुद्धा calculate करू शकता. No issue. Here RB ची value same च येते बघा इथं. RB is equal to same whatever we got by Lamé's theorem. 133.33 same. You are getting same value here also. Not issue.
Okay.
Okay. So one problem I will give from homework. Similar problem what the way we have solved, because if you will start to solve now, it will take more than half hour, almost 45 minutes. So I will give, if you are unable to solve, we will solve tomorrow. So shall I erase this very important problem?
Yes.
Yes sir.
This problem. Please note down this. Are you observing on the screen or not? Ha.
No.
Two rollers of त्याच्या अगोदर बघा बरं का, या प्रॉब्लेमच्या अगोदर आपण हा प्रॉब्लेम सकाळी सोडवला होता बघा, की हॉरिझॉन्टल प्लेन, दॅट प्लेन इज मेकिंग हाऊ मच अँगल विथ हॉरिझॉन्टल
30 degree.
30 degree and
degree.
two cylinders of identical cylinder, same weight, same diameter, identical cylinder होते. हा प्रॉब्लेम आपण in morning only we have solved this problem. Similarly now this plane is making how much angle with horizontal? 15.
15
Again,
degree.
15 degree. Diameter is also same, only weight is different in this problem. Weight is only different. One is having this how much? 200, no, I am unable to see. 200 Newton and 250 Newton. That's all. That is the difference. Otherwise same problem. Otherwise it is same problem. Will you solve and shall I give answer for cross checking, or tomorrow I should tell the answer?
Tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow, will you take it as a homework?
Sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
no issue.
Yes,
Tomorrow I
sir.
will tell answers. Please note down this. Either you can take screenshot and try to solve on your own. It is a university exam. Again, I think it was asked for 10 marks. University exam. What the way you were solving the problems for your 10th and 12th classes for board exam, no? Now there is university exam. This problem is from university exam for 10 to 12 mark. If you are able to solve this problem, no issue. Means you are at right track. You are able to find trigonometric, etc. Have you noted down, or either you have taken screenshot for this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we go next? Now after cylinder problems of beam will start. Problems of beam. So we have seen what is beam, what are the different types of supports, reactions, etc. So if I will go quickly back. So now beam problems are going to start. So these cylinder problems we have seen. So here types of load, types of support, types of beam. Now problems we are going to solve on these types of beam. Simply supported, fixed supported, overhanging beam, continuous beam, etc. So we have seen in depth what is simply supported beam. Support is at both ends and support is at both ends. That is simply supported and just kept on the one object on other. Simply fixed. It is fixed. It will not move here and there. Something overhanging. After support also beam is there. That's why it is called overhanging. Continuous supports are given. Cantilever, support is at only one end, other end is free. That's why it is called as cantilever. Then we have seen supports and reaction. So if at any stage, if I will ask you, how many reactions are there in simple support? So what should be your answer?
One.
Only
One.
one. In simple support, one reaction. In roller support, how many reactions are there? Only one.
One reaction. One reaction.
Only one reaction, that is to be again vertical. In hinged supports, how many reactions are there?
2 reactions.
Two reactions. One is
Two
horizontal,
reactions.
one is vertical. In fixed supports, how many reactions will be there?
2 reaction
2
and 1
reaction.
Duration and one moment.
One moment.
Three.
Two reactions and
Moment.
one moment, like this it is there. So now afterwards we have seen load. This is also come into picture in problem of beam. Point load or concentrated load, like force. Directly it is shown by point load or force load. Uniform distributed load, UDL. So we have seen one term. Can anybody is remembering? I have at that time I have told the term EPL. What is the long form of EPL? EPL, equivalent
Point load.
Very good. Equivalent point load. In case of UDL and UVL, this term will come into the picture. Equivalent point load means whatever load is there, we can show by point load, means total. So it is called as intensity. Intensity we have to calculate of that load and we have to show. If it is UDL, we have to show it as a point at midpoint of that intensity. And from this, we have seen from apex, how much distance we have to take from apex?
2 by
2
3.
by
2 by 3 or 1 by 3 from
1 by 3.
this, like this. That we have seen. Now, let us see simple problem. These problems already we have solved. So, can anybody read very simple problem now? Calculate.
Calculate reaction of
Reaction
beam
of
of
beam.
following loading analytically.
Analytically or we can say theoretically, we have to find the reaction. There is one beam. If I will give name to this beam as A and point B, means at the end there is what we can say point A and B, beam AB. Whatever reactions will be there, so reaction here there will be RA and RB. So in this problem, whatever loading is shown, how many? What is the type of load now applied on the beam?
Simply
Point
support.
load.
Type
Point
of
load.
Point
Point load. There are three types of loads: point, uniform distributed UDL, and uniform varying UVL. Out of that, which is the type of load?
Point load.
Point load. It is a point load. Okay, and beam is in equilibrium. Loading condition is there, and we want to find we want to find, so in this case reaction, we want to find what? RA and RB, to find RA and RB. So there are two unknowns. So conditions of equilibrium we are knowing. Conditions of equilibrium. What are the conditions of equilibrium?
Summation Fx is equal to zero. Summation Fy is equal to zero. And moment due to all forces.
Okay, very good. Summation of Fx is equal to 0. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Summation of moments due to all forces is also 0. So if I will applying conditions of what? Equilibrium. Conditions of equilibrium, that is summation Fx is equal to 0. Okay, summation Fx is equal to 0. Can anybody tell me now? RA, whether it will be positive or plus or minus RA? Huh? No audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, in this case, 1 minute. In this case, no any force is horizontal. All forces are vertical.
Zero.
So there is no question to apply this summation Fx, because all forces are vertical and either reactions are also vertical and applied forces are also vertical. So here there is no question or there is no meaning to apply summation Fx. Okay, so summation Fy we have to apply summation Fy. Summation Fy is equal to 0. Understood why we should not apply summation Fx?
Yes.
So RA, whether RA will be positive or negative?
Positive.
RA positive. What about the 60 Newton force? Positive or negative?
Negative. Negative.
Negative 60. What about 30 force? 30 Newton force.
Negative. Negative.
Again 30 negative. What about RB? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive equal to 0. Therefore, RA plus RB equal to
90.
90.
equal to 90. So one equation, two unknown. Is it possible to solve this equation?
No, sir.
One equation, two unknown. Here we can't solve this equation. Okay. So
Yes.
one more condition we are knowing. What is that? Condition of equilibrium. Summation Fx is not working here. Summation Fx. Summation Fy we have calculated. Summation. What is next condition?
Moment of
Moment due to all forces.
Moment due to all forces. Now, if I will take moment at point A, so which force will not come at point A or reaction will not come?
RA.
RA will not come because it is passing through point A. If now apply summation of moment due to all forces at point A is equal to 0. Now RA will not come. Now very carefully you have to say RA will not come. What about 60 Newton force? First now RA, why it is not coming in this equation? Are you getting?
Yes.
Because it is passing through point A, effect will be 0 or perpendicular distance is 0, moment is 0. 60 Newton force. So what will be the moment due to 60 Newton force?
60 into 3.
60 into 3, whether it will be positive or negative?
Positive.
positive.
It will be positive. 60 into 3. Okay. What about 30 Newton force? Due to 30 Newton force, whether moment will be positive or
Positive.
clockwise or
30 into 2, sir.
Clockwise.
again clockwise?
Yes.
30 into 6. What about RB? Is it clockwise or anti-clockwise? Whatever moment will be.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. RB into what is distance?
8.
8 equal to 0. From this, is it possible to calculate? Therefore, RB is equal to, just check, is it possible to calculate now? RB, one equation, one unknown. नाही
45.
45.
5 मिनिटांनी फोन करतो. 5 मिनिटांनी बघू थांबा. जाऊ पिक्चर चालू लेक्चर नाही नाही. हा, what is value of RB?
45.
45.
40,
5.
5.
45.
RA is equal to 45.
So from equation 1, simply we can calculate from equation 1. Equation 1, what is that? From
RA
equation,
is
shall I say directly?
RA plus RA is equal to 45.
RA plus 45 equal to 90. Therefore, RA is equal to again 45. Very simple. So your concept should be, problem is very simple. That concept should be clear. So how we can calculate, where we have to take moment, where we have to find reaction, etc. Okay. So both the reactions are known. So this RB, this RA. Very simple problem. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go next?
Yes, sir.
Let us see this now. Next one. Can anybody read now? Avinash 62. Avinash, will you read this? A beam of span. Salgar Avinash.
A beam of span 4 meter is simply
Ah.
supported at its end.
Ah.
It carries concentrated load of 50 kilonewton and 20 kilonewton at 1 meter and 2 meter.
Ah.
From left hand, supported respectively, it carries UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter. From right end, determine reaction at supports.
What is the meaning of UDL?
Uniform distribution load.
Uniform distributed load. Okay. So now what the way we were drawing, it's a free body diagram of our cylinders, etc. Here also we can draw. What is the type of beam? Read the problem and tell me what is the type of beam.
Simply supported, sir.
Simply supported beam. Okay, it is a simply supported beam. Then how many reactions will be there at the end?
2, sir.
2. How that will be? Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical only, sir.
Vertical only. Very good. It will be vertical only. Now, have you read the problem this? Now, from this, suppose I want to convert the given diagram or given loading into FBD. How it will be? Now just see. So I will write here FBD of given loading. FBD of given loading. Given loading. How it will be? So how we can show this here? Now this one horizontal line. If I will draw horizontal line something. Sorry. If I will draw a horizontal line. So suppose something line like this, horizontal line. Okay, then at the end, how will be the reaction? As it is given a simply supported beam, here there will be a reaction. What will be? Suppose I will give name A and B. Here A, here B. So at point B there will be R B. Here there will be R A. Okay. Then this distance is this load is already given 1 meter. At 1 meter, how much load is applied? 15 kilonewton. Then at another 1 meter, after a distance of 1 meter, how much load is applied? 20 kilonewton.
20 kilonewton.
Already it is given. Now this UDL we have to convert it into point load, or we are saying it as equivalent point load. So how it will be converted and where we have to apply? We have to calculate First, its intensity, and then we have to apply at a particular, and we have to convert this UDL into point load. Simple, in simple language, I will tell. This uniform distributed load, we have to convert it into point load. How we have to convert now? Very simple. So what will be the intensity of this total load? Total load किती असेल हो? 10 kilonewton per meter आहे. Intensity, are you understanding? Intensity. What will be the total load?
20.
20. Correct. 20. How 20?
10 into meter.
10.
If you read this carefully, इकडे बघा हे कसे बरेच जण मिस्टेक करतात. Its meaning
Per
काय
meter
आहे?
ला
Per meter it is 10 kilonewton. प्रत्येक मीटरला per meter it is 10 kilonewton. So what will be the intensity for 2 meter? 2 मीटर साठी किती मग असणार आहे?
20
20.
20. It is 20. And what we have seen, where this UDL we are showing at the midpoint of that total span. Total in the sense that UDL, not total beam span, I will say. Here A, here B. From right hand side, at what distance I should show this 20 kilonewton load?
At 1 meter, sir.
At 1 meter. Here I have to show 20 kilonewton load at a distance of 1 meter. At a distance here it will be 1 meter. Again here there will be again 1 meter and 1 meter. So the diagram will become something like this. Alag lakshat?
Yes, sir.
Now our problem is now simple. Simple problem now. What the way we have solved the first problem? Only we have converted UDL into point load. Have you understood? That is the challenge in this. Otherwise nothing. याच्यामध्ये फक्त नवीन तेच आहे. UDL, how to convert UDL into point load. Otherwise this problem is converted into now first problem. Now which condition we have to apply? Apply condition of equilibrium. Apply
Summation fx is equal to
fx.
0 at fx. Fy.
Fy.
Condition of equilibrium. That is fy का fx सांगा व्यवस्थित. Summation.
Summation of Fy.
Summation of fy is equal to 0. Tell me, Ra will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Ra positive, Rb पण positive. ठीक आहे. Minus, now directly I will write minus 15, minus 20, minus 20 equal to 0. So first equation you will get Ra plus Rb equal to how much?
55.
55. Very simple. 55, whatever, equation number 1. Similarly, now summation fx is not working. So what we can apply now?
Moment of all forces.
Moment of all forces.
Moment due to all forces.
Summation of moment due to all forces at point either A or either B. If I will apply summation due to moment all forces at point B, what I will get? मी जर B ठिकाणी moment घेतलं तर कुठली व्हॅल्यू मला मिळेल?
Array.
RH.
I will get Ra. If I will apply summation of moment at point A, what I will get?
RB.
RB.
So where we should apply? कुठं apply करायचं सांगा आता?
Array.
RA.
Summation 0. So tell me now equation. So what will the moment due to Ra at point A?
0.
0. Very good. What about 15 kilonewton? Whether it will be clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Positive into 1. What about 20 kilonewton force? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Positive.
Again positive into
2.
2. Distance from A we have to take. For next also, for next 20 kilonewton force. 20 into distance
3.
3. What about RB? RB will be clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. RB into what is total distance?
4.
4 equal to 0. Calculate this and tell me what is the value of RB. Plus this 40, 55.
17.
55 plus 60. How much it is? RB
28.75.
75.
75.
28.75.
28.75.
28.75.
28.75 kilonewton. Kilonewton. Okay, kilonewton from equation 1. 1 is known. Now directly
26.25.
from equation 1. RA plus
26.
RB
20,
75.
26.25, sir.
26.25.
Therefore
25.
are equal to
26.25.
26.25
25.
Kilonewton.
kilonewton. This is the answer. RA and RB. That we want to find reactions at the support only. Okay, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall we
Yes,
stop
sir.
now? It's almost 12 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will stop here now. Okay, remaining problems. Such problems are there. Okay, shall we stop?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will stop today. Thank you very much.